installing access control on this door using the existing crash bar. This is our rear wire. We're going to be using this motorized latch retraction kit by our guys at Command Access. This gets installed inside the crash bar, gets wired up, supplied 24 volts, and unlocks the door. Started by taking apart the crash bar. Crash bar has a locking mechanism that needs to be taken apart. Unfortunately, it didn't have screws, it came with rivets, so I had to drill them out. Got it all drilled out. Installed the new motorized latch retraction. Once that was set, started putting everything back together. Now every crash bar is different, so it took me a while to put it all back together, but eventually we got it going.